Now, so people, one more important clue, and that is depends on, based on, cannot be true unless. It's been assumption. All right. What is your job? To find out hidden statement, and that is called justification of argument. Now, next important point about elimination, and that is key in critical reasoning question. Elimination will help you to find out the best option. With the help of elimination strategy, we will do. Now, what are elimination strategies? Out of scope. What is mean of out of scope? Out of scope means not related to passage. That will be out of scope. Too wide. It's been what? It can be, but based on extra information that is not mentioned. What is out of scope? Not related to argument. If you remember, last Sunday, we have discussed about that in logic, in critical reasoning, argument is everything. And whatever we do based on argument, based on logic. Now, these two, then too narrow. It's been what? Based on specific word, such as only, often, always, etc. Then unnecessary comparison. Then unnecessary comparison. What does it mean? Keywords of premise are compared with keywords of premise. So whenever there is comparison of keywords from the premise, that will be unnecessary comparison, and we need to eliminate. Now, if option supports only premise, it will be eliminated. Remember, assumption means argument, and argument includes both premise and conclusion. Supports only conclusion. Supports only background. Rejects premise. Rejects argument. Rejects background. So these are the part of elimination. Step number 1, to find out, after reading, find out conclusion. It says that prevent from committing by stopping program, right? Conclusion keyword says, conclusion says that prevention, right? Last sentence, this is your conclusion. Prevention by stopping. And the passage says from here, Yeah. Children who have been watching violent programs commit much greater number of violent acts, right? So program watching forces, therefore stop watching program, stop crime. So what is key? Violence program matters. Fine, Amrita, Smriti, Nitya, Chandra, Supradeep.
Yes, sir.
All right. So first job, the reasoning begins from passage. What if there is problem in passage? In that case, it will be difficult to get the option, because the logic of option is based on logic of passage. Therefore, our first job should be to think about argument and think about missing link. Now, let us talk about options and then elimination part. Television has harmful effect on society. Only children are society. It is television or violent program in television. I believe you got why A should not be the answer. Smriti?
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Nitya, Chandra? Okay.
Yes, sir, got
Parents
it.
are responsible out of scope because passage is not related to parents. Violent actions and passive observations of violent actions are not related. Incorrect. Rejecting premise. They are related. E says children who are treated violently will respond with violence. Is there any clue that shows that there will be repeat? Any clue? Could be, it could be when sufferer is also viewers of violent program, then E could be possibility. When sufferers also watch violent program, then E could be possibility. Why D? What keyword I have given people? Try to recall keyword that I have given before coming to option. I said violent program. Have I taken keyword from the passage or out of passage? From the passage. Along with see the sense and justification. Did you get? So until you get argument, you will not be able to find out keyword. First come to conclusion, take keyword, then return to premise to find out keyword.